Hey, Sports Entertainment Marketing. So here's the plan for this week. Tuesday morning, you're going to have some time to work on your supply chain project, and then a bit more time in the afternoon to work on it too. I'll check in with each of you individually on Tuesday afternoon to make sure you're doing okay and find out if you need any clarification or, anything like that. We'll have a bit more time on Thursday to work on it, and then on Thursday afternoon, we're going to get real concrete with it and figure out you know, at each step of the supply chain, maybe just one step, how can we merge the values of the customers with the needs of the people that are creating the stuff, the ecosystem needs that are going on there. Basically, how can we make that step just a little bit better, using the momentum that is already there from the money that people already want to spend on this product. So that's the plan for this week. We'll get more detailed with it pretty soon. Okay, there you go.